Hi, I'm Barb Price, and I'm in the MLT program, and I work at Ohio State. I grew up in Arcadia, a small town in northwest Ohio, and after graduating, I came to Columbus to attend Ohio State. I got a business degree majoring in human resources, and I worked in the human resources field for several years, then got married and had 3 kids, and decided to step out of the workforce to spend more time raising my kids. When my youngest started school, I got back in the workforce, but I wanted a different career path rather than human resources. So I've worked in a variety of different administrative positions before ending up here at Ohio State's College of Nursing. I'm a program coordinator, so I support the faculty with whatever in any ways that I can. And the College of Nursing strives to use technology in the best possible way to improve nursing education. Since the university recently started providing iPads to undergrad students, we're trying to find ways to, innovative ways to use these iPads to improve deeper learning, like collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity in the nursing courses. So I have very limited experience creating multimedia, so I really want to improve my multimedia skills. I think it'll be really helpful in supporting faculty and helping them to incorporate more multimedia into their courses. So one of my hobbies is that I like to travel, but due to limited time, vacation time, and limited budget, I don't get to travel as much as I would like, but I am hoping this summer or next summer to travel to Europe. I have a pet cat. Here she is, Gato. She's about 10 years old, and she's a little bit overweight, but she's still adorable. I'm excited to see all of your guys' introductions and get to know you over the course of the semester. Thanks for watching my intro.